gonna do some banded booty exercises now. I found a little trick. This is an ankle strap that came with my band package. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to put that ankle strap on, Velcro it in place, and then I'm gonna take the little carabiner and attach it to the band. So that way my band won't roll up when I'm trying to do these exercises. So first exercise, get into a split squat or a lunge position. So we're going to do a 1, 2 pulse, kickback, okay? 1, 2 pulse, grab your balance, kickback. 10 each leg. Then we're gonna go into some lateral squat steps, just like this, here. 20 each side, so 40 total. Then we're gonna go into what I like to call a booty burpee. So I keep the band around my ankles and I keep my legs abducted so that the glutes get engaged as I pop out into a plank position. So hands on the ground, feet back, feet wide, and jump. Okay? Keeping that band taut the entire time. 10 of those. Last exercise, single leg abduction. So grab a wall if you need to and just keep tension on that band. All right, we're gonna do 20 on each side here. Make sure that leg is staying flexed and you're driving with the heel. Don't let the toe lead, let the heel lead. 20 each side. And that's it for the booty burnout.